Welcome to my channel Aminimo Patterns. In this video, I'm introducing the Jasmine slip dress, a timeless design that combines elegance with versatility. With its floral-inspired bust detail, this dress exudes feminine charm. Perfect for both sophisticated events and casual, breezy days, the Jasmine slip dress offers a flattering fit and irresistible allure. Materials needed: the Jasmine slip dress pattern, suitable fabric, matching thread, interfacing, and a loop turner or similar tool. Preparation: print the PDF in your size, assemble the pattern pieces, and cut them out. Lay out the original back dress piece with the reversed front dress and bust pieces on one layer of fabric. Flip the pieces to show the original front dress and reversed back dress on the same fabric layer. Cut out the remaining pattern pieces. You should now have 4 bust pieces, 1 back facing, 2 straps, 2 front dress pieces, 2 back dress pieces. Bust part: apply interfacing to the front bust pieces. Mark and sew the darts on both the front and back bust pieces. Press the darts towards the center. Fold the bias strip in half lengthwise. Pin and sew 0.5 cm 0.2 inch from the folded edge. Trim the seam allowance closely with scissors. Turn the strap right side out using a loop turner or similar tool. Take the front bust part pieces. On the right side of each piece, place a strap with right sides together. Pin the strap in place near the edge and sew it down. Repeat this step with the other front bust part piece and strap. Place the back bust part piece over the front bust part piece, right sides together. Pin and sew along the top edge. Trim the excess seams to 0.5 cm, 0.20 inch, and make cuts at the corners, being careful not to cut through the seam. Turn the bust part pieces so that the right sides are facing out and the wrong sides are inside. To shape the curves nicely, you can use pins or other available tools to smooth the rounded edges. Then press the edges. Sew the bottom and side edges to connect the front and back bust pieces, stitching close to the edges.
Our
finished bust part pieces should look like this. Front dress. Finish the center edges of the front dress pieces with a zigzag stitch or overlock to prevent fraying. Fold the front pieces right sides together, pin them, and sew with a straight stitch. Press the front center seam open, using a pressing cloth or scrap fabric under one side of the seam to prevent it from showing through on the right side. Align the right sides of the bust part and the front dress, connecting them along the curved edges with pins. Begin sewing from the middle of the center seam, then continue along the curved edge using a back stitch at the start and end. Here we have beautifully sewn one side. Repeat for the second bust part. Trim the central seam allowance, fold the remaining fabric inward, and finish it together with the seam allowance using an overlock or zigzag stitch. Take a needle and thread and sew at the point where the bust parts and front dress pieces meet for a neat finish. Press the connecting seams downward towards the front dress pieces. Back dress. Finish the center edges of the back dress pieces with a zigzag stitch or overlock. Fold the back pieces right sides together, pin them, and sew with a straight stitch. Press the back center seam open. Here is the right side of the back facing, and here is the wrong side with interfacing and finished with a zigzag or overlock stitch. Align the right side of the back facing with the right side of the back dress piece and sew along the upper edge, leaving spaces for the straps. After sewing, turn the fabric to the wrong side. Fold the back facing upwards and press it, along with the seam allowance, towards the top. On the right side of the back facing, top stitch close to the seam, sewing through the back facing and folded seam allowance underneath, leaving spaces for the straps. Final steps. Pin the front and back dress pieces right sides together, positioning the front dress piece 2 to 3 millimeters lower than the back dress piece at the top. Fold the back facing upwards, leaving its edges unattached while sewing. Sew the side seams. Finish the side seams using a zigzag stitch or overlock. Press the sewn side seams towards the back dress piece. Fold the edges of the back facing inward about 1 centimeter, 0.3 inch, and press. Fold the back facing inside the dress, press again, ensuring the folded edges are neatly in place. Pin the edges of the back facing to the side seam. Sew the folded edges to the dress using the stitch in the ditch or edge stitching method. Attach the back ends of the straps, then try on the dress to adjust the strap length. Sew and finish the seams along the back facing where the strap's openings were made. Attach the back facing to one side of the back center seam. Repeat on the other side. This will stabilize the back facing. Fold the hem up 0.5 centimeter, 0.2 inch twice. Press and sew with a straight stitch to finish. And now, the Jasmine slip dress is complete, ready to wear and perfect for any occasion. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, share, comment and subscribe for more sewing tips and inspiration. Thank you for watching and happy sewing!